Today, I'll show you how to add shadows to your text. A simple trick that gives your titles a clean, stylish look and helps them stand out from the background. Let's jump right in. Open your project in CapCut Mobile and select the clip where your text is placed. If you haven't added text yet, tap on text from the bottom toolbar and choose Add Text to type your message. Now, tap on the text layer to select it and then hit Style at the bottom. Inside the Style panel, tap on the shadow option. As soon as you tap it, a default shadow appears behind your text. To customize it, tap the shadow color box and pick any color you like. You'll instantly see the shadow effect apply. Use the opacity slider to adjust how strong or soft the shadow appears. Use the blur slider to control how sharp or diffused the shadow looks. And the distance slider lets you control how far the shadow is from the text. Play around with these sliders until the shadow fits perfectly with your video style. Once you're happy with the result, tap the check mark to apply the effect. And that's it. You've added a clean and professional text shadow effect in CapCut Mobile. It's super handy for making text readable over bright or complex backgrounds. If you found this tip useful, make sure to like the video, share it with fellow editors, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tutorials.